Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. In this video, I'm going to cover some plants that I just got in from the Southern Living Plant Collection and a couple of Encore Azaleas that I also got in. These are actual video projects or projects that I have going on, but a few of these items are just, brand new introductions this year, and I wanted to just give you a quick look at them, and then you'll get more detail in some videos I have coming up in the next couple weeks. So let's take a look. So the first Encore Azalea I'm going to show you is Autumn Sunburst. Look at this variegated flower on this one. This is a beautiful, beautiful plant. The other Encore Azalea that I have here, which I have covered before, is Autumn Bonfire, which is the newest one in the collection. These are absolutely beautiful. This thing is so loaded with buds. These two are earlier flowering varieties, so in the fall they tend to get off to a very quick start, which is great because both of these are good in zone 6, where a lot of azaleas are only good in 7 to 9 or 7 to 10. These are actually going to be varieties that can be done in zone 6, so it's great that they're early flowering varieties. So if you can find this Autumn Sunburst or Autumn Bonfire, these are just beautiful Encore Azaleas, and they're just getting started here with their fall bloom a little earlier than the other varieties will kick off. This Purple Daydream Loropetalum I've put in a couple container projects that I've had. What a beautiful Loropetalum. It's a dwarf, only gets 2-3 feet tall. I really, really love that variety. You can see how all the branching goes out on it rather than up. There's a couple Arborvitaes back here. This is a Fire Chief, and this one's called Pancake. I'm actually going to do a video covering a lot of different varieties of these, but these are two newer ones from the Southern Living Plant Collection that are just beautiful. And Fire Chief turns this incredible bronzy color in the wintertime. Really beautiful. And Pancake stays super low and gets wider than tall. Really love that variety. This is a color guard yucca, not necessarily a newer variety of plant, but I am covering that in a video. And incredibly cold tolerant. It just looks like a plant that wouldn't be that cold tolerant, but that thing's good up into zone 5, which is really, really incredible. Okay, the next three things are just absolutely, varieties that are just showstoppers. Not that the first things weren't, but look at this grass. It's a Lamandra, and this variety is called Platinum Beauty, and you can see why. Look how gorgeous this grass is. I don't know how well this variegation will show up in here, but this is just one of the prettiest grasses. I'll go over this in detail next week. I'll also be going over this Clayera called Juliet, and wow, what a beautiful plant this is as well. This is Clayera are great screening plants. I haven't covered these very thoroughly on my channel, but you're going to see several videos here in short order to make up for that. But the variegation on this one is just really, really striking. This was just a great plant for using as a hedge or even in a container, actually. But very, very striking. Great backdrop to other flowers and other green foliage things. And then this right here is a Mood Ring Podocarpus. And wow, look at this thing. I got to pull it out a little more for you so you can see it. I want to make sure that you can really appreciate how beautiful that plant is. It's an upright, narrow Podocarpus. Really, really beautiful plant. These you can just kind of turn into anything. You can use them as hedges. You can box them off. You can allow them to grow big and tall and be a screening plant. Just super, super great plant. You'll see me use this as well. Another great container choice, really. And so you'll see more on all of these plants over the next couple of weeks, but I wanted to show you how beautiful some of this new material is. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can follow along as I use these new plants in landscape projects I have coming up.